In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this and verify your Google account right here. It says right here, this device was reset to continue sign in with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. I'm going to show you how you can fix that right here. So what you want to do is you see the email or phone, click on that, and then what you want to do is you want to type in random letters right here. And then once you type in the random letters, what you want to do is you want to highlight the text that you typed right there. Then you're greeted with these options at the top right there. And then what you want to do is click on the three dots right here. Then click on Wikipedia, and that will bring you up with the internet browser right there. What you want to do is do not use Google Chrome. I recommend that you use the stock browser for you to search on the internet right there. Now it's going to be bringing you up with Wikipedia. Click at the search bar and type in Google right there. Google. And what you want to do next is you want to type in Nova Launcher APK into the search bar, and then it's going to be bringing you with a bunch of options that you want right here. You can do, depending on what version you have for your smartphone, you can do the top one right here, but for me I have to scroll all the way down to where it says 6.2.18 right there. Click that, and then it's going to be downloading automatically. It says download details, download. Then it's going to be downloading, so just let it download for a little while. Then once it's downloaded, what you want to do is you want to scroll up, and then the menu comes up right here, a little option menu. The one you want is you want to click the three dots that look like a hamburger. Click that. Then you're greeted with a bunch of options. The one you want to click on is download. Then you want to click on it and install it. Click install. For you, it might ask you to unlock your device. That means that you want to allow it so that you can install apps from the internet right there. Now just let this install. Now it says open. Click on open. Then it's going to be asking you to delete it. Do not delete the package right there. Do not delete it right here, because if you delete it, then your download will not get installed. Click cancel, then open, and then you see you are back at your device right here. You see you're back on your device. You see you cannot click on the home button because there's no home button on the device. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to settings on your device like I am doing right there. Head to settings, then scroll down to where you have the option on where it says backup and reset, and then the only option that you should get would be personal data. Click on factory data reset, and then it's going to be deleting or erasing all your data on your smartphone. And what you want to do is you want to click on factory reset. Then it says erase internal storage. Erase all data on the internal storage such as music and photos, and everything is going to get deleted on the phone. Click reset phone, and then it's going to be resetting the phone. Don't worry to create a backup because this is going to uninstall or delete everything on your device, so don't worry about a backup. Now what you want to do is just let your device restart. Now you want to click next right here, and you want to go to, now what you want to do is you want to go to the whole setup process on your smartphone. I'm going to fast forward the whole setup process, and there you are back into your smartphone right here. You see you are back into the smartphone right there. You do not have to do anything too crazy to get your phone back from Google account verification. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to fix the Google account verification that you get when you want to set up your phone right there. So please like, comment, and follow me, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.